A very warm welcome to the channel, fellow foodies. Now it's been a while, so it's time for another product review. Now quickly, let me just ask myself a few cooking related questions. Question 1, do I always cook using fresh ingredients? The answer to that is yes, because I'm lucky enough to have enough spare time to cook from scratch nearly every day. How are my knife skills? Not bad, but room for improvement. Would I like to save myself some time in the kitchen? Absolutely, you bet. Who wouldn't? So all of these questions lead me to this little kitchen marvel. It's the slice and dice vegetable chopper and mandolin. If you haven't already got one of these in your life, considering how cheap and versatile they are, you need to consider it. So today I'm going to put one through its paces so you can decide if one would benefit you. So here it is. It comes with a wide selection of blades and grater attachments. We have actually here, I've never seen this before or anything like it before. Apparently this is an egg separator, so I'm going to use this last to see if it works. Then we have one of the dicers, a more slightly narrower one, and we have like a draining basket thing. I won't be using it. I can't see any use I'd have for this at all. And we also have this useful handy little guard thing to stop you slicing your fingers when you're using the mandolin. Also this little cleaning item. I'm guessing you're going to use this to clean that. Yes, it fits perfectly. So the attachment that's already on, according to my little pamphlet, is a garlic grinder. This is a 4mm shredding blade. This is a 3mm shredding blade. That is a 2mm slicing blade, and it looks really sharp. Last but not least, we have a potato lattice blade. That's interesting, we'll check that out. I'm a huge lover of the old chip, most Brits are, so let's cut some chips. So for this we'll use the 14mm by 14mm dicing blade. One bit of advice, these are much sharper than they look, especially on my old one. I'm sure these are the same and they will cut you really easily, so please don't touch that. Be very, very careful. A nice humble potato, so we're going to put that at a little angle, being very careful. And I'm just going to pop that down. And hey presto, in literally 5 seconds, we have some chips. Just look at that, perfect, absolutely perfect, can't fault it. Okay, I'm also a lover of a potato gratin, especially good old dauphinoise, so we just need to pop that off. Remove the garlic grater attachment and very carefully install the slicing blade. In it pops. And away we go. Oh, just look at that. Well, let's take a look. And there we have some nice, very thinly sliced potatoes. And how easy was that? These were a bit of a mare to try and even try to get a cut that thin manually using a knife. Well, not for me anyway, so yeah, absolutely perfect then. Okay, just before I switch everything over, I want to see what it's like with a carrot. So let's just say we're making a salad, and let's just see how well it slices. Let's take a look. And there we go, perfect. Just right for a salad. Now let's say we want to make some shoestring fries or similar, or a rusty. This is the 4mm shredding blade, and let's just give it another bash. Straight through with ease again. Perfect, let's take a look and make a mess at the same time. About 30 seconds in the fryer. Again, we could make a rusty and they look absolutely perfect again. Really impressed so far. Now we are down to the 3mm shredding blade. So this would be ideal for salads. So Mr. Carrot is back on board again. Let's give this another go. Right, let's take a look. So you've got some shredded carrot there. Took all of about 5 seconds. Right, over to the next one. I'm really intrigued about this. This is the egg separator, yolk separator, whatever you want to call it. In it goes. I want to see if this works. I'm not a big fan of separating eggs, and I'm not great at it. Okay, the proof will be in the pudding. Here it goes. Wow, it looks like it's actually working. And there we have one separated egg yolk from the egg white. Perfect. You might be thinking it makes a right old mess and it's a lot of washing up, but don't worry, it all goes in the dishwasher. Right, let's wrap this review up by making the fastest salsa you'll ever make in your life using the 7mm by 7mm dicing blade. It's a nice, basic, easy salsa. Few ingredients. You've got a tomato, a little bit of coriander, a shallot, or you could use a red onion if you wanted, salt and pepper, a little dash of olive oil and some lime juice. First, we just need to chop a little bit of coriander manually. It can't chop herbs. It would be really special if it could, so about a tablespoon of coriander. Just roughly chopped. Don't over chop herbs because you end up with all the flavour left on your board. That will do. Next, let's just half the tomato because it won't quite fit. There you go, just like that. Pop it on the blade, being careful not to get your fingers on it, and down. Same again. Tomato on. Simple as that. On with the shallot. Next one. Pop the lid off. In with the lime juice. Dash of olive oil. Twist of salt. Twist of pepper. And in with that previously chopped coriander. Give that a bit of a shake round. And there you have the easiest and quickest salsa you'll ever make. If you are considering purchasing one of these, I really would appreciate it if you'd use the affiliate link I've left in the video description. It helps me a lot and it all goes towards video, camera equipment, microphones and everything that goes towards making this content better for you. See you next time and do consider clicking that subscribe button. See you later.